Hello! Today we're gonna make another beautiful project with the Midnight Spell collection by Vellum paper, inspired on these beautiful roses in the papers. We're gonna have so much fun with the stencils. Also, we're gonna work with the stamps, these amazing lace looking stamps. And of course, we're gonna use the vellum. Let me show you the different designs that come in the vellum package. Remember, vellum are translucent and so delicate. And you can find 5 stamps designs on each package that are similar to the paper in the collection. I'm totally in love with this one. But today we're going to use the black one because we're going to personalize our own vellum. As you can see, vellum is translucent, so I'm adding a page in the background just so you can see what we're going to do. We're using chiaroscuro inks in 2 different shades of blue. And we're going to use a brush to start painting the background in circular motion like a cloud. To add a little bit more of texture, we're going to have the same ink, but now using our stencil to transfer those lacy designs to our vellum paper. You have to press a little bit harder because we really want to transfer a lot of ink to our vellum paper. Now that I already have my custom-made vellum paper, I need to cut 4 pieces of the same size. Square pieces is very important. You have to cut it the same side of each part. For example, these that I'm using right now are going to be 3 by 3 inches. But at the end, it doesn't matter what size you choose, but the 4 pieces have to be the same square size. The next step, I'm gonna do it several times because it's the key to our project. First, you're gonna fold one of your squares in half. It doesn't matter if inside or outside, but you fold it in half. Then fold it in half again. And then flip it to make a triangle. You're gonna end in a shape like this, like a snow cone or a small triangle. Now you're gonna have to cut the top with your scissors. You can do it as a drop or in a wavy angle as I did. And then you cut the tip. When you unfold it, you're gonna have something like this. Okay, let's do it again. At the end, you're gonna have 4 flowery shapes like this, and each one of them have the creases of the folded. So you're gonna have 8 spaces, as you can see, and you start cutting. You first cut one of those spaces, those triangle shapes, and you separate it. You're gonna do 1 and 7. Then take the second one, and then you're gonna cut 2. And you're gonna end with 2, like 1, 2, and then you're gonna have your next one. And of course, it's gonna be 3. So you cut 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last one is gonna be 4. You saw you cut it in half. And you save the other half for the next time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? Then for the next step, you're gonna make cone-shaped figures with your pieces. You have got a little bit of glue, and then you're gonna twist it to make like a snow cone. The first one is always the hardest, especially because I have big fingers and these are very, very tiny and delicate. Now I start building up my flower, beginning with the smaller one, and then I press it inside, like one of those matryoshka dolls. So you have one cone inside of the next one. And you put a little bit of glue in the lower part, and then you start building up your flower. Just the smaller cone goes inside of the bigger one, and so on and so on. Now it's time for the finishing touches. We're gonna have a darker shade of blue to ink the edges of our flower. And we're also gonna have a small brush, and we're gonna curl the petals to the outside so it looks more natural. Vellum is a very friendly material to do this because it will keep the shape you're gonna make. See? Very easy. Now you can do as many shapes and colors you want. See you next time. Bye.